Hi, are you ready to explore some exciting woodwork project ideas? Well, we've got 4 essential tools that you need to help you with your woodworking projects. And these tools are yours for life and you're always going to need them. Number 1, an electric saw. Our first must-have tool for woodworking projects is an electric saw. It's powerful, precise, and it's ideal for cutting boards of any size. It's perfect for cutting anything from simple shelves to intricate furniture. An electric saw is going to save you a large amount of time. It cuts large pieces of wood. It's very clean and accurate on the edges for every piece of wood. So whether you're working with plywood, hardwood or softwood, an electric saw is a versatile tool that you need. So that's number 1. What is number 2? A power drill. We all love power drills. No working or woodwork project is complete without a real powerful power drill. We love a power drill in our hand. A power drill is essential for assembling your project, whether tackling large or small woodworking project ideas. A power drill makes it easy to drive in screws to drill pilot holes to ensure pieces of wood stay secure and aligned. It's also used for attachment, or can be used for attaching sanders, polishing and mixing. It's really an incredible versatile tool, the power drill. The third is a sander. A sander is crucial for every woodworking project idea. A handheld sander smooths surfaces. It preps the wood for staining, for adding a perfect finish. It's making each project look more professional when it's done. A sander brings out the natural beauty of the wood grain, especially when you stain it or varnish it. The wood grain really stands out. This can be on hardwood or softwood. Plus, a sander really helps to reduce injuries such as splinters or even spots. It's a safe and a really versatile tool. Gone are the days when we had a bit of block wood sanding and we're doing it by hand, and by the time we finish all our fingers are rubbed down. You remember those days? Those days are gone. The fourth is a measuring tape, because you need to be accurate in your woodworking project ideas. No project can be complete without measuring and a square. These help to ensure that you cut precisely, that your joints are perfectly matched, and they're essential for any project. A square keeps the edges straight. It ensures the shelves and frames and cabinets are perfectly aligned. Meanwhile, a measuring tape helps to really track the right dimensions, making sure that each cut is connected and fits seamlessly. So when you think about these 4 tools, an electric saw, a power drill, a sander, measuring tape and square, they are really essential for any woodworking project idea. You need these 4 tools for countless projects that you will start today and in the future. So if you're starting with a simple design, we encourage you to have these tools. Stay safe, enjoy your project, and come back and see us again. So please ring the bell, please subscribe, please check description to see what additional information we have there. And you really have a good day. Take care. Bye.